morning, everyone, and welcome to another info session provided by Cernal Chemicals, or as you know it by now, Speaker Wiki Soaps. As always, myself, Stefan here, with Ogrote here to my right. Ogrote, good morning.
Morning, Stefan.
How are you on this lovely morning?
No, lekker self.
Lekker.
It's almost Friday.
Today we are doing Bolt Lens.
Yes.
That's the product we're doing. It's the product standing here to my right. I see it's almost sort of a gel, Daniel. While looking at it now, it's a liquid.
Yeah, it's a very thick liquid, Stefan. So Bolt Lens, I mean the word bowl almost says what it is for. It's for cleaning not your kitchen bowls but your toilet bowls and so. It is an acid-based product. So it is corrosive. Do not, with that the safety, do not get it on your hands. I would suggest using gloves when using this product. So very simple to use. All you have to do is 10 ml or so. Put it on your toilet, throw it down your bowl or toilet bowl or urinal, and then all you do is leave it for, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub it a bit if there is hard cleaning, heavy duty cleaning, and then you just flush. So it's there to remove lime stains, water stains and all that. If you have old stains, I would suggest, I actually tested it myself, pour it in, leave it overnight if possible. Mm-hmm. And then the next morning all you have to do is flush it away and your old water stains or lime stains will be gone.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But for the regular cleaning, it will prevent the lime and water stains.
Okay, so it's a prevention as well.
Yes.
Okay, so when it comes to the prevention application after you've cleaned the bowl, how often would you think you would need to reapply it on your bowls or units?
For myself, actually for my own, for household use, I do it once a week. In a hotel and so you can do a daily cleaning depending on how how often you have to obviously clean a room and that. So if you clean a room on a hotel, maybe daily cleaning. But for household use, I would recommend once a week.
Okay. And it's available in 5 liters, 25 liters, and then as always we manufacture the products. So anything in bulk from a 200 liter to 1,000 liters, we can do that as well. When it comes to safety precautions, Daniel, what do you need to look out for regarding?
As I said, it is an acid-based product, so it is corrosive. Do not get it on your skin. So therefore, I would suggest using gloves when you're using Bolt Lens. Okay. Just in case you get it on your skin, to prevent that.
And to make it easy for you, Cernal also sells all the equipment that goes with the cleaning products. We don't just give you the product and send you on your way. So we have everything from the glove to the goggles to hard broom, soft broom, lappies, all the equipment that would be required with any of the products. As always, we are going to a demonstration video at the end of the video. As well as the data sheet is also available, and if you have any questions, all the info would be provided at the end of the video, so you can either contact myself or Ogrote here and we will assist you to the best of our abilities. Thank you, Daniel. That's Bolt Lens, not the Super Bolt Lens, but the Bolt Lens.
That's right.
Chemicals, kitchen laundry house. Cernal Chemicals.